So if you need to hide rows or columns, or maybe you have something hidden you're trying to find, here's how you do it. So let's hide column C. Right click on it so it's all selected, and then hide. It's hidden. It's still there, but it's hidden. And that makes it kind of easy to compare columns B here and D. For rows, right click so it's selected, hide, and that's hidden as well. Let's hide this one. So those are hidden. They're there, but they're hidden. If I want to unhide them, if I go up here, you might see that there's a line between A and B, just a single line. And then here between B and D, there's a double line. Also C's missing as well, so you can tell it's missing. If you get this like this and pull it over, click and drag, we can see column C. Likewise, between 1 and 3, you see that double line. We can hover over and pull it down, and that'll show us, that'll unhide row 2. The other way to do it might be a little bit easier than the dragging. Hit Ctrl or Command on Mac and then A. That highlights everything. And then click on any column, right click, unhide. That'll show you what's hidden in the columns, any column. And then over here with the rows, any row, right click, unhide, and it'll show you all those as well. Finally, if you just want to unhide one row or column, here's how you do that. So just click on a column and pull over so they're both highlighted, right click, unhide, and that unhides just that column there. Over here with our rows, we have 2 missing, and let's hide 6. So if I just wanted to make row 2 visible, I would click, drag, so these are both highlighted, and then right click, unhide, and you can see row 6 is still hidden, but we can see row 2. That's how you hide, unhide, and find hidden things in Microsoft Excel. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.